everybody, it's Aiden again. Today, I'm in Jordan Valley, the largest grassfield in Hong Kong. I was about to show you how to fly this plane with the PowerUp 4.0 motors, but it's too windy. That's why I'm going to teach you how to fly this plane with the normal glider version. This plane is called Emperion One. It's a glider designed by Boyer. It is an excellent flyer. So, let's see it in action. By the way, this video is not sponsored by PowerUp. I'm just really impressed with it. That's why I want to share it to you. So, the PowerUp 1.0 is just a normal motor without a charging pack. And then the 2.0 is the 1.0 with the charging pack. The 3.0 is the first smartphone control device, but it only has one motor at the back. The PowerUp 4.0 is a smartphone controlled device that you can put on your paper airplane to make a flying machine. And another PowerUp version that was discontinued, that pilots could see the view from their plane. If you already watched this part of the video, I'm sure you really liked this video. So remember to like and subscribe and share. Now, let's get folding Emperion One. If you want to fold the PowerUp version, you should use 8.5 by 11 inch of sheet paper. If you're using the normal version, then both A4 and 8.5 by 11 inch are okay. Let's get folding. I'm using A4 now. I will show you how to cut it. Now, when you fold it in half, put the two top corners down. Open it up so the center crease is a valley crease. Put about the top 4 inches down, estimation again, or you flip it over and leave about an inch. That is diagonal crease. That is not folded down. So now open everything up. Fold along this crease. Fold, continue the crease to the edges. Fold on the existing crease here. Land this crease on this edge. Do the same thing on the other side. Now fold this edge to this crease, which is also an edge behind the crease, or you'd say a layer. Now fold this point to this point. Do the same thing on your other side. Open them up. Fold this edge to this edge. Fold it back in. Do the same thing on the other side. But there's a special thing you want to look out for this time. When you close it in, you want to tuck this lot into this pocket. And I know that sounds hard, but it's not actually that hard. In my PowerUp book, this plane is actually rated as easy to fold. Now, fold it in half, reversing your center crease. Fold from just above the top edge to your about 1 inch above your center crease, or now you'd say bottom edge. Match the wings up. If you are using the normal version, you are finished. This plane definitely needs some up elevator for the normal version. Definitely not with the PowerUp. But as you see, power planes always need to cut elevators, even worse. So, if you want to cut the elevators and make the fins for the PowerUp version, you have to open the wings back up, cut horizontal crease like this, cut a diagonal crease like this. Cut a small cut like this, cut another small cut like this, and then open it up, fold along the existing, and then fold along the edges that are giving you a tip for folding the winglets and elevators like this. And then now, if you want to see how it works with the 8.5/11 version with the PowerUp version, here it is. And now, if you want to see how the 8.5 and 11 version looks with the PowerUp version, here it is. And now, please like and subscribe. And also, remember to, if you want to attach your PowerUp 4.0 to Emperion One and other planes, watch this video here where you can also learn how to float another paper airplane called Onslaught. And so, again, please like and subscribe and share, and thank you!